Welcome, today I'm with me iPhone 14 Pro and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So if you don't know how to unlock your SIM card from SIM pin, you should first open the settings application and then tap here to mobile data. Then you'll see here the SIM pin section. Tap here once. Now we can see that our SIM card is locked with the pin code. Just click here and now we should enter our currently pin code to the SIM card. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. After that, you should just click here to OK, wait a second, and now we can use the switcher just to turn it off. So just enter once again your pin code, click here to done, and now we can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from SIM card on our iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.